Yeah, I didn't tell that man.
I know you didn't. Oh, I know.
I told him to watch the tape.
He was trying. He said she told me to come by. I knew he. Well, Brenda. Price tags around the neck.
There you go, honey. Got it. Get her done.
Get her done. Get her done.
Get her done.
I think I'm gonna run out of price tags.
I think you better go get
I heard
some more.
y'all. Hey, what's in that bucket?
Don't catch me with a bucket.
Is there anything we can drink?
No. Drink up. Here.
Oh no!
Dirty water.
I think that's green tea is what I think it is.
No. The peach tea is in the refrigerator.
Oh, you got peach tea in the refrigerator.
Peach tea in the refrigerator. Watermelons in the refrigerator.
Ooh,
Tomatoes are ready for the sandwiches.
all righty. That's what we like to hear.
Lord, I hope Brad is walking on this.
Well, if you do, it's not the end of the world. Won't be the first thing broken. Won't be the last thing broken.
All right, here we go. You're going to have to get some more price tags.
Yeah, I know. I guess I'm going to have
Are
to
you
go
going to get on the inside or outside? It's going to stick better
Well,
on the inside.
inside better because if I put them outside, I'll have to ride them and they'll be all bumpy. So